All right, here we are. What's your name?
I'm Tyler.
Tyler, I'm Dave. He's got the Talaria Sting. It's a Sting, right?
Yeah, it's a Sting R.
Okay, the Sting R. And I've got the DIY bike here. So we're going to just do a drag race, see what happens.
All right.
Oh, he's doing it. Ready?
Yep. That's insane.
That's fun.
That thing is insane.
I like that.
Seeing it next to my bike makes you actually see how fast it is. When I rode it, I gave it a handful and I was like, whoa.
Yeah, I mean,
to see it compared to this, it really shows you.
But you can tell the weight, like, because you're off in the first 15 feet, this, you can't,
That's a whole shot machine.
this cannot touch that in the first 15 feet because of the weight.
Yeah.
So like when you're in the trails, like same as on my Suron, when I was in the trails, nothing could touch it. You come around a tree and 50, all you need is 15 feet and you're in front.
Yep.
So I used to love that. But man, I couldn't jump trees with it, and I love jumping
I
trees.
can jump trees on this okay, not big ones though.
Yeah, like it's still mountain bike stuff, right?
Yep, yep.
So I was like, I'm gonna just get the beefiest thing I can.
That right there is
It's all right. But this is only my fourth actual ride day, so.
So is there a trail that goes over to the intermediate track? You're just gonna ride down there?
You can go in here and cut down that way. You want to go?
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
I just want to run to my truck. I want to get a picture of this before I head out.
Hey, we're gonna cut through. We're gonna cut through.
Okay.
Y'all ready?
Ready. Yeah.